Dreaming wiping poop. Hello and welcome to Dream Interpretation, where we explore the meanings behind your dreams. In today's video, we'll be discussing the symbolism and possible meanings of dreaming about wiping poop. While dreams about cleaning or wiping poop may seem odd, they carry significant interpretations. Dreaming about wiping poop often symbolizes the need to clean up a messy or unpleasant situation in your life. Just as you are wiping away waste in the dream, your subconscious may be telling you to get rid of emotional or psychological clutter. This dream can also represent feelings of shame or embarrassment, especially if you are cleaning up after someone else in the dream. However, wiping poop can also indicate the desire to restore order or regain control over a challenging situation that has caused you stress. If you feel relief or satisfaction after wiping in the dream, it could signify that you are successfully dealing with your problems. Overall, dreams about wiping poop encourage you to take action, clean up negative influences, and work towards resolving any issues that have been weighing you down. Thank you for watching Dream Interpretation. If you found this video insightful, please like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell for more dream analysis. We'll see you in the next video. Until next time, may your dreams bring clarity and understanding.